What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This one's going to be a bit of an abandoned factory in Bristol. That's all I'm going to say about it. It's a pretty big site. Trashed, graffiti everywhere. Looks like they've had some parties in here. Yeah, let's take you on a little look around, guys. It's quite interesting. That looks like it's been a home to a lot of parties recently, simply because of the beer cans that are everywhere in here. As you can see, it's not so much a video location, if you like, but it's pretty damn good for getting some nice photos, etc. You see, it's just cans everywhere in here. Look at some of the old generators and heaters are still here. And it's just parts of everything, really, guys. Looks like a little control room down here. We'll walk you to it. Be a good little place to do some model shoots, etc. It's got that perfect backdrop. It's just more graffiti, more tagging. I can't imagine this being an overly long video, guys, because I don't want to bore you just walking you around a factory when it generically looks the same, basically. Let's take you through some of these doors. I think I'm going to concentrate more on my photographs in here. Very hush. As you can see, out on the main road. Looks like some side buildings down here. It's quite arty, I'll give you that, for the camera shots. But apart from that, it's near enough a bare shell in here, guys. Remains of some sort of trolley. Wheels are rusted. There's chairs, suitcases. Just trash everywhere, really, guys. Offices, by the looks of it. Let's have a little look. Not a whole lot in here, guys. It's just trashed. That was my knee. Someone's been trying to set their own fire in here. Back out into the main part. See what I mean, guys? It's all the same. Although there's a nice graffiti wall down there I will take you to. Looks out of everything, it's near enough all just tagging and nothing great, to be honest with you. And there's one wall's got a pretty cool skull on it. So I will show you that. So we've done plenty of the factories over the years, and this is just another shell. That's exactly what I'm going to describe it as. But that's pretty cool. Do like that. Toilets. Right, guys, we're going to wrap the video up here. It's only a short one, there's not a whole lot to see up here. It's just trashed, it's a basic empty factory, it's just a shell. People have been having some good times here. So yeah, we'll wrap it up there. See you in the next video, take care, explore and safe yourself. Peace and love as always, guys.